Okay, hi, this is Carrie part 3. So, how to clean out a refrigerator that's full of roaches. And someone abandoned this on the sidewalks of LA. I picked it up, put it on my truck, went to the car wash, blew it all out. But there's one spot that I missed that I didn't show you. And then when I turned the camera off, I basically put the refrigerator on its side, and all the water came out of this. This is the drain pan from the refrigerator freezer. All the water comes down here. It goes through this tube right up here. You can see that right in there. That there's a tube that comes down, and it drains into this pan right here. So it's usually held on with 1/4 inch screw. Okay, here's the screw right here. I'm taking it off, and all the while I'm looking for roaches. I saw a whole bunch when I turned the camera off, and we're scattering. And let's see here. Okay, take that off, and it should kind of slip out. Oh, there's one more screw. Yeah, one more screw right here. Okay, right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's another 1/4 inch screw. Take off, and there's a roach right there. There's one right there. It's a girl. She's preggers. She's got a little pod. She's gonna lay a million more, so we gotta get her. Okay. So here comes the pan, and there's a bunch more roaches. Yeah, they're everywhere. So just gonna stomp on them. We're doing a roach stomp. Okay, here they are in here. Bunch of babies. Great. Okay. Good. So I'm gonna clean that pan out well. Yep. So you can see I'm pretty quick. So that's not the end, but there's a bunch in here. Yeah, they're still in here. They're still, yeah. So this is how you get rid of them, and there's still a bunch more, and so that's why we take out a commission for a month or so, and make sure that they're all gone. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is Gary, and wish me luck. All right. Thanks. Bye.